Hey skincare lovers, welcome back to my channel Skintellect by Snehita. So today we are busting a skincare myth that way too many people believe. The more products you use, the better your skin will be. Here's the truth. As a biochemist, I can tell you that's not how your skin works. And layering isn't just a trend, it's a science and most of us are doing wrong. So let's dive into the biochemistry behind your skincare routine and fix it together. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Snehita, PhD in Medical Biochemistry. So welcome to my day 10 for Biochemistry Skin Truth series. So as a biochemist, I believe skincare should be a science-backed and simple. अगर आप एक प्रोडक्ट के बाद दूसरे प्रोडक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा लेयर अप करते हैं स्किन में and you are following the 5-step skincare routine or 10-step skincare routine and still not seeing the result, so this video is for you. And now let's understand what is myth is, what is actually happening underneath of your skin when you layer up with too much product. So I'm here with today's myth, and today's myth is using more skincare product will give you a better result. So now biochemistry insight. And biochemistry insight, your skin isn't the sponge, it's a barrier. When you apply the skincare, each skincare interact to the outermost layer of your skin, जिसको हम stratum corneum बोलते हैं, and which is like the brick of wall, which is made up of the skin cells and also contain the natural oil. And जो ये barrier है, this protect your skin and control what gets in and what stays out. Now the science part. जो भी skincare के ingredient हैं, they have their own pH, texture and they have their own absorption rate. कि आपका कोई भी स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट कितने देर में एब्जॉर्ब होगा आपकी स्किन. जब आप बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट लेयर अप करते हैं अपने स्किन में, मेनली दे एक्टिव्स लाइक एसिड्स, रेटिनॉइड एंड विटामिन सी, so they can clash and disrupt your skin pH and also confuse your skin natural signaling system. And if you're layering too much product on your skin, so this can lead to the redness, irritation, clogged pores and even the breakout. So what will be the skin barrier effect? So you just think barrier is like a wall. Every time you're adding a product without any reason, so it's like poking the hole in it. So once your barrier is compromised, even the soothing product start staying, and it can also damage your skin barrier. The overlayering can damage your natural silt. So lastly, there is a wastage of product, क्योंकि आपका skin एक टाइम पे सारे प्रोडक्ट absorb नहीं कर सकता. So now the fact. And the fact is, your skin doesn't need overlayering of so many skincare products. So more products not always mean a more benefit. आपका skin एक time पे बहुत सारे product absorb नहीं कर सकता, तो rest of product will sit on your skin and can clog your pores. If you're using too much active products, so they will cancel out each other and आपका skin confused हो जाएगा. Let's be honest, it's expensive. If you're using too many products and you can't see any result on your skin, so there is no problem with your skin, it's a overload. Growing skin doesn't come from more steps, it's come from the right step, if done consistently. So now how to layer your skincare product in a right way. So step 1 is a cleanse. Use a gentle cleanser for removing the dirt, sunscreen or oil. अगर आप मेकअप अप्लाई कर रहे हैं या you have a SPF on your skin, you can do the double cleanser. Double cleanser, you can go with oil-based cleanser and then your gentle cleanser. Step 2 is a toner. So apply toner after you cleansing your face for your hydrating and the calming your face. If you have the exfoliating toner, so please avoid using daily. So third step is a serum. So serum you have to apply from thinnest to thickest. So from the thinnest serum, you can apply the vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. Then you can switch to oil-based or thickest serum like azelaic acid and retinoid. But remember, you have to wait for 30 to 60 seconds between each step so that your skin can absorb it better. Step 4 is the moisturizer. So seal everything with a good moisturizer. जो भी आपके skin को suit करता है, you can use that moisturizer. Gel for oily skin and cream is for dry skin. Step 5 is a sunscreen. Use in a daytime only. It is a final step for the daytime. Use it daily even you are indoors. So PM routine does not need the sunscreen. In the place of that, you can use the heavier moisturizer or any active in place of this. So avoid using actives like retinoids, vitamin C or HA in one routine. And introduce one product at a time and wait for up to 2 to 3 weeks to observe how your skin reacts. That is all for today. And you already know that layering so many products doesn't make you better skin. And I hope this video helped you to simplify your routine and understand what your skin really needs. If you have learned something new, so give a video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more biochemistry backed skincare truth. So it's all about my day 10. I will see you tomorrow with another myth with real science, not just skincare hype. Till then, bye bye, take care and please follow for more.